Hey guys, so just making a quick tutorial video on how you can troubleshoot the issue of your camera, Logitech, or whatever it is, how you can make that work with Logitech Capture software. For Logitech Capture software, it only supports a specific list of Logitech newer webcams, and not even all of the newer ones are on there. Like right here, you can see I have the C930E. It's not too old of a webcam, but it's not one that application supports. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix that, and how you can use your camera on Logitech Capture. So I'm just gonna open it real quick right now and show you guys that it does not work, that my camera is not being picked up. Once again, you know, that's because mine is not supported, and I originally thought that, you know, oh, it's not supported, there's nothing I could do, until I found the solution, but I hadn't seen it anywhere else, so I figured I'd maybe give you guys some tips. So first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to Device Manager, and then from here you're going to want to go to the universal serial bus. It's just all the USBs that you have plugged in. You're going to want to go to your webcam. If you have that plugged in through USB, you can find your device through other ways on the Device Manager. This is one of the ways, I guess. Go to Properties, and then once you're in Properties, go to Details, this third tab in. Right here where it says Device Description, press on that and go to Hardware IDs. It should be the third one down, but press on that. And so this one right here, these the PID and the VID, those are two that you want to pay attention to. You're going to want to write them down or whatever, because those are very important in this process. So as you can see, you know, I just have the VID and the PID copied over here. So next you're going to want to open up the file location, which I'll go through that. It's going to be in here, but you're going to want to just go to your C drive, go to Program Files, go to Logitech, LogiCapture, bin, and then you're going to go down to where it says LogiCapture.exe.config. So one thing, actually two things. So first off, when you first get to this screen, some people may not be able to actually open it. They'll be prompted with a screen that looks just like this, and it'll only have look for another app. Just click on More Apps, go to WordPad, and that'll work. And also, there's an error with saving the file as well. So what you do for that, right click on the same file, the LogiCapture.exe.config, go to Properties, go to Security, and under here where it says Group or Usernames, you have to, this will be in the Windows Defender icon for you guys if you guys don't have that already like turned off. But you can edit the permissions and who can actually use or who can save the file. You'll be able to edit it, but then you won't be able to save it. So yeah, I know this, it looks scary. So what you want to do, right click it, open with WordPad, and then so now that this is opened up, you're going to want to go to where it shows the different devices. These are the devices that are supported. So this one right here, 1080p Pro Stream, this is one of the cameras that is supported with LogiCapture, Logitech HD Pro Webcam C920. HD Pro Webcam C920, all of this. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to copy from device from this right here. Don't start up there. From down here, or from the device GUID, and then it has the name and everything. You're gonna want to copy that all the way down to device, and you're going to want to copy that. You're going to want to go to the end of device and give yourself a couple tabs and paste. So essentially you just copy and pasted the same thing, but you're going to replace this information with the information that you have here. So for the camera, I have the HD Pro Webcam C930E, and so for this I just change C930E. For the VID, I have to change this webcams is oh, actually the VID is the same as mine, but the PID I have to change to 0843. Once again, that's because that is the webcam that I'm using. That is that specific PID number that has to go with, you know, this. If I left it at what it was before, then it would be trying to like pull that from, you know, the other camera's settings. So once you have that, go to File. Once you've done all that, go to Save As, and then Other Formats. Leave it as just how it is. Make sure it's in the same file location, everything, and press Save. It'll say it already exists. Do you want to replace it? Say yes, and then it's gonna come up and say you're about to save the document in a text-only format, which will remove all formatting. Are you sure you want to do this? Just say yes. I personally didn't run into any problems while doing this. So now once that's saved, you can go ahead and close out of there. And you're gonna need to restart your computer. Okay, we are back now after the computer has restarted. So we can test if this worked by going to the Logitech Capture software. So actually loading this up for me, it's not gonna come up because I have Streamlabs open. But for you, your camera should come up, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like right here. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it worked for you. I know troubleshooting on a computer can be extremely difficult. One last thing, and I'll put this in earlier on. The code for this exact camera, I will put either a link to this or I'll put this actual code in the description. Yeah, so once again, I hope I helped you guys out, and thank you for watching.